Hi guys! Welcome sa SIP9. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on rational equations. So sa video na to, isosolve natin itong equation na nakikita niyo sa screen niyo. 5 divided by x squared minus 4x plus 3 is equal to x plus 4 divided by x squared minus x. Okay, so kung gusto niyo i-pause yung video at isolve, pwede niyo i-pause ngayon. Tapos balikan niyo mamaya kung may sagot na kayo. Alright, so sana nag-solve kayo on your own, no? Tuloy na natin. Pag yung rational equations na sinusolve ninyo ay may denominator na binomial or any polynomial with more than one term, i-check nyo kung pwede nyo siyang i-factor, no? Katulad dito, yung denominator natin na x squared minus 4x plus 3, pwede natin yan i-factor. That's equal to x minus 3 times x minus 1. No? Tapos yung denominator na x squared minus x, pwede rin natin siya i-factor as x times x minus 1. So kukunin natin yung LCD ng x minus 1, tsaka x plus 3 times x minus 1. At napag-aralan natin sa previous videos na kukunin natin yung mga unique factors, no? So unique, ibig sabihin wala siyang kapareho. Pag may kapareho, isa lang yung kukunin natin. At kung may kapareho na magkaiba sila ng exponent, yung malaking exponent yung kukunin natin. So dito, walang kapareho yung x, which means nakasama siya sa LCD. Yung x minus 1, dalawa sila. So isa lang yung kukunin natin. Tapos yung x minus 3, wala siyang kapareho. Kasama siya sa LCD. So pag nakuha na natin yung LCD, i-rewrite natin yung mga denominators in factored form. That's 5 divided by yung x squared minus 4x plus 3 is equal to x minus 3 times x minus 1 is equal to x plus 4 divided by yung x squared minus x is x times x minus 1. Pagkatapos ay i-multiply natin yung both sides of the equation by the LCD. So this is equal to x times x minus 1 times x minus 3 times 5 divided by x minus 3 times x minus 1. That's equal to x times x minus 1 times x minus 3 times x plus 4 divided by x over x minus 1. Okay? Sa left-hand side ng equation, pwede natin cancel yung x minus 1 saka x minus 3. So x minus 1, lagyan nyo palagi ng 1 para nag-cancel kayo ng pareho na numerator saka denominator. Ang 5 over 1 is just 5. And then multiplied by x is 5x. Tapos sa right-hand side, we can cancel x minus 1, tsaka yung x. So ang denominator nito ay 1, kasi 1 times 1. And yung x plus 4 divided by 1 is just x plus 4. So x plus 4 times x minus 3 ang natira. This is x minus 3 times x plus 4. And solving, we have 5x is equal to x squared plus 4x minus 3x minus 12. This is equal to x squared plus x minus 12. Tapos yung left-hand side natin ay 5x. Now, subtracting 5x from both sides, we have 5x minus 5x equals x squared plus x minus 12 minus 5x. That's equal to x squared. Ang x minus 5x is minus 4x, and then minus 12 is equal to 0. And then we can factor, no? Ang x squared minus 4x minus 12 is x minus 6. Tsaka x plus 2 is equal to 0. which means that x minus 6 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x equals 6, x equals negative 2. So check natin kung solution nga ito. Dapat wala tayong 0 na denominator para hindi undefined. Check natin yung original equation. Pag x equals 6, x equals 6, x equals negative 2. Pag 6 ba dito? 6 squared minus 4 times 6. That's 36 minus 24. Mukhang hindi naman siya 0, no? So 36 minus 24, ilan yun? 12 plus 3, 15. So ito, 5/15, no? Tapos ito sa kabila, 6 plus 4 is 10. And then 6 squared minus 6, 10/30th, no? So parehong 1/3, tama naman. And then for negative 2, we have 5 divided by, ano yung negative 2 squared? 4 minus 4 times negative 2 plus 3. That's 4 plus 8 plus 3. It's 15. 5/15 pa rin. So sa right hand side, we have negative 2 plus 4 divided by negative 2 squared minus negative 2. So that's 2. Ano ang negative 2 squared? That's 4 plus 2 is 6. 1/3 din, no? So remember, this was 5/15. So equal naman sila. Actually, kung tama naman yung pag-solve nyo, ang kailangan nyo nang i-check ay yung denominator, kasi pag 0 yung denominator, undefined yun at hindi siya solution. Pero dito, parehong hindi 0 yung denominator. Therefore, x equals 6 tsaka x equals negative 2 are solutions to the rational equation 5 over x squared minus 4x plus 3 equals x plus 4 over x squared minus x. Alright, so maraming salamat. Sana ay may natutunan kayo dito sa ating discussion. Don't forget to subscribe and invite your friends. I'll see you in the next video.